Whoa, wait for me, Zack. Lovely sunny day. Peppa Pig World summer holidays.
Hello to you all. Hello, Mrs. Queen. Welcome to my castle. Ooh, we are very high up, Your Majesty.
Oh, whee! Isn't it marvellous? One does love to fly.
I can see everything.
Yes, one can see all around. Oh, wave to everyone.
Look, I don't fall down on there. I don't fall down here. I don't fall down there.
What do you know about buried treasure?
Well, I have been to Pirate Island, Your Majesty.
Oh, how exciting. Oh, my. What's all that commotion over there?
It's Mr. Bull digging up the road.
Gracious. Who else can you spot?
There's Grampy Rabbit's Sailing Club.
Ahoy there, Captain.
Hello, Grampy Rabbit.
Say ahoy there. Ahoy there!
Who likes picnics?
I do. Could we have a picnic with Gerald Giraffe?
Well, we're almost home now. What about?
That was good, wasn't it? Right, that one.
It's open.
It's the Windy Castle ride. Whoa, there we going up. Oh my life. Are you going to start spinning already?
Very fast.
Whoa.
Very fast.
Whoa. Whoa. Lovely. Oh no, I don't want to go too fast.
Go too far.
Whoa, now we're moving. Oh god. It's like we're rocking as well. Jeez. That is scary. Don't. Oh. Too fast, man. Slow it down.
Look at me.
Ah! Jeez, we're rocking. Why are we rocking? Oh, I'm gonna have to shut my eyes. So I can see Mr. Potato. Oh! Go on, how fast can you get it? Go.
Look, there's a gate
Definitely going to make people giddy now watching this. Just will not stop spinning, will you? I'll try to look for Mummy, but I got no chance. Splash pads open for the summer. You can see Mr. Potato's playground. Whoa, we're nearly at the top. See if we can see, oh, Mummy Pig.
and Daddy Pig.
Yeah, they're at the top of the castle.
Not Peppa.
No, Peppa's over there, look. Peppa's over there on the balloon ride. It is, who's up there? Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig are at the top of the windy castle.
You're never going to stop spinning.
You're not going to stop spinning, are you? It's a long ride, this one, and it's just non-stop spinning. Oh, although you can stop the spinning. I'm going to try to stop it. I'm going to try to stop him from spinning because I have had enough. I have had enough of spinning.
We're coming down.
Are we?
We're coming down.
Oh,
Why?
because I'm getting giddy. Say bye, Windy Castle. That was great. And that's Madame Giselle's schoolhouse. You can go and get some photos taken in there. You should wave to the train. Wave to the train. Lovely. It's a great carousel, this one, isn't it?
Yeah, carousel.
Where's the bell?
Jesus. Can you go in there with him?
Yeah.
Where are you? What are we on now?
Carousel.
Carousel, well done. Oh, we're moving. I heard the bell.
This spins faster.
Does it spin? It does spin, Zack. Yes, it does.
Let's spin very. Let's
Come on then. No, you've got to do it fast. Let's go. Keep going. We'll go really fast.
Let's go really fast.
Put the cameras away, please. Put the cameras away.
I don't want to get off there. You're ridiculous.
Oh my life, I'm getting very giddy. How are you, Lise? I can't focus on you. Oh,
Look at that.
you alright?
Yeah.
No.
No, I'm still going to stop filming. I'm getting too giddy. Oh.
I'm giddy. I'm giddy.
Wow. Right, where's Lisa? Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
You say yep. Can you say yep?
Yep. Yep, yep.
Yep.
Yep, yep.
You say yep, yep.
Yep, yep, yep.
We actually are stopping.
We actually are we? We are actually stopping.
These are all seated.
Whoa. Why are we still spinning? Oh, there we go. Oh, the camera's very confused. I'm confused.
Hey there, Zack.
Slate's going down the other side.
Yeah,
Got the right.
Peppa Pig splash pads in there.
I see Peppa Pig splash pad.
Wow, we are going.
Yeah, and you'll be able to see it.
Here we go. Lovely.
That's nice to be able to see it.
That's why it's nice to stop tracks for moving.
Hurry away. So come and see us here at Tornado Springs in the Midwest. A breathtaking ride down the station full of motion. And let your love turn it out all that fun. Refresh yourself with some tasty treats at Jesse's Diner. For a real adventure, come and visit the world-famous Tornado Springs.
I can't see the smoke anymore.
You know.
Can I see
Tractor ride, yeah. Shall we see if we can see any tractors? Can't see any tractors, where are they?
Is it working?
We'll go on it, I love this ride. There's one, look, there's a tractor.
There's another tractor.
Last time we went to the garden it was like February and there was nothing in there, so it'd be nice to go through there.
But there's a spider, isn't
What was that? The alarm. Viking Boats. That's good. God, that was quick. I thought I didn't even realise we'd be going backwards. I like that.
Dirty water.
Yeah, they go in and they go down through the water. Look, lovely.
Blasting, stardust falling, a space adventure is our calling. Stand by the launch, the team is waiting. Saturday, we've got the spaceport, we're rocking ready. Let's give everything one final check. The spaceport is powered up and ready to go.
Oh, look, sparks.
Into the solar system we go!
Like the sparks.
On the hot. Welcome to your space flight. As pilot, it's my job to make sure the rocket stays on course towards its destination.
There's only one cart at the front that's got people in it on that, so that's a walk-on.
Oh my god, yeah.
I still haven't got to do that. So you're going to do driving school tomorrow? Yeah. It's closed now, is it? Okay.
That's why it's probably closed.
Right. Oh, we just got, what's it called? The Leonardo Hotel in Southampton.
And it does have an extra big giant.
Yeah, we have to put the oh, I like this. You got a little fridge there. Look like the desk area. Oh, look, you got your own coffee machine there.
In my hair here.
The temperature of my fan is.
There's a bit of a view here as well. You can see the port over there of Southampton. Go check out that bathroom.
And a medium shower.
What have we got, Zack?
Small shower.
There is a shower there, isn't there? And you got a shower up here. I like the mirrors.
Can we turn it on?
Toilets.
Can we turn it on?
Very cool.
And we can turn this on.
Yeah.
And then turn that on.
Lovely. Soap.
Mirror.
Mirror. Very cool.
Sink. It hasn't got a ceiling fan.
Oh no, but they've got air conditioning up there though. Coffee. Right, don't worry me that. Don't walk off with my camera. You scare me when you do this. Can I have it? Alright, let's stop now.
Look! Is it hot?
Mum's got a hot drink as well.
And then we can put some of these green things in there.
Well, we'll keep these ones till tomorrow morning because they're stronger. That's it.
Why is the door closed?
Yeah, you got to press.
Round.
Is that the ground? Ground floor. Doors opening. Okay, without.
I said the breakfast is over that way.
It should be recording.
Put it back in the glass. Put you wanted it in your glass. Just don't press it in there. Turn it off.
We need to film the room. There. Look at outside. Look at that plant. Wow, look.
It's so high. I can see some ginormous plants there. And another one there. And the other side, there's some nice forks. Fork, knife, big fork and little fork. A spoon. Wow, look. You can see it's inside. Wow, look.
It's going dark. Okay, that's it. Zack eating his. What have you got? What have you got? Muffin, 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 muffin.
What have you got, Zack? Toast? What's that?
Muffin.
Muffin. Pain au chocolat. Pancake. Lovely. And a big breakfast.
Huh?
What's that? Oh my god, that old telephone thing.
It's a what?
Well, you used to do telephones. Hello.
Oh, nice.
You always in the 90s.
Is it?
It
Okay.
reminds me of Home Alone.
Okay.
The Grand Plaza Hotel.
Yeah.
This is what it reminds me. We haven't pressed anything.
4. Zack, we're not going up if we don't press a button. It's this way.
You got that in there? Oh, again. Okay.
In, hold it, and then out. Out. Oh man, alive.
Oh, I've done it wrong way, isn't it?
No, it's a square bit. Have you had it next to your phone?
Maybe.
Oh, I'm gonna let you do this then. Got here, gates opening today, so it is a busy gate.
3.